So in my experience with the Wealthy Hair, not only has the quality of the product met my expectations, it is beautiful, it's silky, it's smooth. The level of customer service has been amazing as far as working with the web team. So I would highly recommend, if you are on the fence and you're thinking about, should I do this? Should I make this investment? I'm going to tell you right now, genuinely from my heart of hearts, yes. It has been super easy. My two lovely girls are joining me on this venture this time around. The information, the training has been digestible. They walk you through every step of the way. All you need is determination, dedication, and a love and a passion for what you want to give to the world. And if you have that, Wealthy Hair will take care of the rest. So I look forward to you joining the Wealthy Hair business family with me. And I wish you the best in your success, because that's what they are going to give you. The tools, the system, the techniques to set you up for success. Who wouldn't want that? Come join Wealthy Hair with me.